anyone understand Medicare? We are so fortunate to have experts like Paul Davis in our community to assist with this very complicated issue. For seniors, the daily challenges and emotional factors for their families can be difficult already. I spend a considerable amount of time helping people deal with those challenges, and I know that adding a big problem like understanding Medicare does not help at all. So I talked to Paul Davis recently and asked him if he really did like what he did. Does he really enjoy understanding such a difficult thing, and how does he address this problem with his clients?
You know, I get a tremendous amount of gratification and satisfaction when I have someone or a couple that come in and see me and they're completely confused and they're baffled by the choices, and as they're leaving me, they're saying exactly what you said. How do people do this without you? I'm so glad we found you. Thank you so much. And I get such a great rush, such an immediate gratification for helping people figure this out, that I almost feel guilty sometimes that I'm actually getting compensated for my time. I have to get people up to at least a certain level of comprehension of what their choices are, because I want them to be empowered to make their own decision and educate them enough to do that in an adequate manner. But they're 3 or 4 days later, if I called up and asked them a series of questions about what we talked about, it would have evaporated. So we want to get to a point of commonality where they understand what their choices are enough, and I understand their circumstances enough that I can say we can converge on what looks to be the most suitable plan for them, at least for right now. And one of the things that we do every year is we review coverage. So every year during the annual enrollment period, we're checking on every single client to make sure they're on the right Part D prescription drug plan or Medicare Advantage plan. And every year on their birthday, we're checking to make sure they're on the most appropriate Medicare supplement plan.